166,977 pesos and 93 centavos, net of the agent's prize commission. Sir, please press that button and let's play Mega Lotto 645. Mega Philippines, nasa loob ng draw machine ang 45 balls numbered 1 to 45. 6 lucky balls ang hintayin nating piliin for the official Mega Million combination this Friday evening. The first number is 43. Ingatan po ang lotto ticket, huwag babasahin at huwag paplansyahin yan. Tandaan, kailangang readable ng validating machine ang detalye ng winning ticket sa pag-claim ng inyong premyo. The second number is 2. Dito sa Mega Lotto, panalo kayo ng 30 pesos sakaling mag-match ang tatlong numero ninyo sa winning combination. And to win, your numbers can come in any order. The third number is 1313. Naswertehan ang apat na nanalong numero sa Mega Lotto. 1.1 million pesos ang paghahatian equally among the lucky winners. The fourth number is 5. At sa mga makakakuha ng 5 winning numbers sa Mega Lotto, 1.2 million pesos ang paghahatiang papremyo. Ang Mega Lotto ay tuwing Lunes, Miyerkules at Biyernes. The fifth number is 36. Huwag pong maniniwala sa mga nagpapanggap na PCSO officials, employees at host at nagsasabing mabibigyan kayo ng tip ng winning numbers sa Lotto. Scam po yan. And the sixth and final number is 1. Muli po ang ating Mega Lotto winning numbers ngayong gabi ay 43, 2, 13, 5, 36, and 1 in any order for the jackpot prize of 97,966,977 pesos and 93 centavos, net of the agent's prize commission. Ready for an even bigger jackpot? Pilipinas, oras na para sa Ultra Million Jackpot. Wala rin pong nanalo sa Ultra Lotto draw last Tuesday and tonight's jackpot prize is 128 million pesos net of the agent's prize commission. Once again, sir, please press that button and let's play Ultra Lotto 658. Lotto fans, Ultra Panalo time na. 58 draw balls numbered 1 to 58 ang nasa loob ng draw machine and still, machine lang ang pipili ng 6 winning numbers. The first number is 15. Sa jackpot-bearing games gaya ng Ultra Lotto, paghahatian equal ang jackpot prize kung dalawa o higit pa ang ating jackpot winners. The second number is 25. Sakaling makuha ninyo ang 3 sa 6 na nanalong numero sa Ultra Lotto, panalo kaagad kayo ng 100 piso. The third number is 54. For those who got 4 Ultra Lotto winning numbers, 1.4 million pesos ang paghahatian equally among the lucky winners. The fourth number is 27. 1.5 million pesos naman ang paghahatian ng lahat ng makakaswerte ng 5 winning numbers sa Ultra Lotto. The fifth number is 8. One more lucky number to complete our Ultra Million combination for tonight. Sana lucky number nyo na ang mapili. And the sixth and final number is 56. Recapping tonight's official Ultra Lotto winning numbers, we have 15, 25, 54, 27, 8, and 56 in any order for the jackpot prize of 128 million pesos net of the agent's prize commission. That's a wrap for our jackpot-bearing games. But the excitement is far from over because up next are the fast-paced and fun-filled digit games.
Simulan natin ang Digit Panalo sa paborito ninyong 4D Lotto game. Sa game na ito, hindi bababa sa 10,000 pesos at pwedeng umabot sa 100,000 pesos per 10 peso play ang panalo pag nakuha. In exact order ang winning combination. May season plays din gaya ng Roll 1, Roll 4 at Perm o Rumble. So good luck! 4D Lotto players. At narito na ang ating 4D Lotto winning numbers. The first number, 9. For the second number, 0. The third number, 0. The fourth and final number is 5. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight's 4D Lotto winning combination is 9, 0, 0, and 5 in exact order. Lucky naman kaya ang tres numeros ninyo? Let's find out as we now play the 9 p.m. edition of the 3D Lotto game. Dito naman sa 3D Lotto, instant winner ka ng 4,500 pesos pag nag-match ang 3 numbers mo sa mapipiling winning combination in exact order. 750 pesos or 1,500 pesos naman ang pwedeng mapanalunan kung nag-Rambolito system play. Thrice daily and 3D Lotto, that's every 2 p.m., 5 p.m., and 9 p.m. There you have it, our 3D Lotto winning combination. The first number, 2. The second number, 3. And the third number, 1. Muli po, ang ating 3D Lotto winning combination ngayong gabi ay 2, 3, and 1 in exact order. And we are down to the final game of the night. This time, 2 numbers naman ang may hatid na panalo. Let's now play the 2D Lotto game. Sa huling hirit ng papremyo, bibida ang 2D Lotto. 4,000 pesos ang take-home prize pag nag-match ang 2 numbers nyo sa winning combination in exact order. At kung nanalo via the Rambolito system play, 2,000 pesos ang maiuuwi ninyo. Just a reminder to our Lotto winners, within 1 year lang pwede mag-claim ng inyong premyo. At narito na ang resulta ng ating 2D Lotto draw. For the first number, we have 21. And the second number is 11. Recapping the 2D Lotto winning numbers for the 9 p.m. draw, we have 21 and 11 in exact order.